turn on the headset, push the power slider toward the power icon. The LED will flash green 3 times. To turn it off, slide it toward the power icon once more. The LED will now flash red 3 times. To connect your headset to a PC, use the included dongle. The dongle is already paired with your headset out of the box. In case you need to pair the dongle manually, hold the power slider on your headset toward the Bluetooth icon until the LED flashes red and blue. Then, hold the button on the dongle until its LED also flashes red and blue. Both LEDs will flash blue 3 times once the connection is successful. To connect your headset to a mobile device, start by putting the headset in pairing mode by sliding the power slider toward the Bluetooth icon until the LED flashes red and blue. On your mobile device, select the Impact 1000 from the list of available Bluetooth devices. The LED will flash blue 3 times once the device is connected. You can control your volume settings with the multifunction slider. Move the slider toward the plus icon to increase the volume. You can choose to move it in increments or hold the slider to increase volume more rapidly. You will hear a voice prompt once the maximum or minimum volume has been reached. To decrease the volume, move the slider toward the minus icon instead. To mute the microphone during a call, press the multifunction button once, or simply lift the boom arm. A red LED will light up on the inside of the boom arm. The LED will start flashing when you speak to remind you that the microphone is muted. To charge the headset, you can use the included USB cable or a separately purchased charging stand. To use the cable, simply plug one end into the USB port on the headset and the other end into a USB-C port on your PC. While it is charging, you can continue using your headset during calls or to listen to media on the connected PC. You can track the charging progress on the headset's LED. To use the charging stand instead, make sure it is plugged into a USB-C port on your PC. Now, place the headset onto the charging stand. The LED on the stand will light up white to confirm the headset is charging. The charging progress will again be visible on the headset's LED. To answer an incoming call, you can tap the hook button on the boom arm once. If the headset is on your head with the boom arm raised, you can also simply lower the boom arm to accept the call. If your headset is on your desk or on the charging stand, you can answer the call by just putting the headset on your head, thanks to the proximity sensor. To reject an incoming call, hold the hook button on the boom arm for 2 seconds. While in a call, double-tap the button to put the call on hold. To resume the call, double-tap again. To end the call instead, tap the button once or return your headset to the charging stand. You can control multiple calls simultaneously with the hook button on the boom arm. While on a call, to accept a second incoming call and end the current one, press the button once. To instead accept the incoming call and put the active call on hold, double-tap the hook button. You can then toggle between the 2 calls by double-tapping the hook button. To end the active call, press the button once. The held call will remain on hold. You can resume the held call by double-tapping the hook button. Lastly, to reject the second incoming call and stick to only 1 call at a time, press and hold the button for 1 second. For the best sound quality and wearing comfort, you can adjust your headset in various ways. You can adjust the length of the headband by sliding it. You will hear clicks for every incremental adjustment. You can also adjust the boom arm. Bend and rotate the boom arm so that the microphone is about 2 centimeters away from your mouth. If you prefer to wear the boom arm on the other side of your face, you can rotate it from front to back. Be sure to adjust your wearing side accordingly within EPOS Connect to swap the stereo channels. To update the headset's firmware, first download and install the EPOS Connect software. Then connect the headset to your computer using the USB cable or dongle and follow the instructions in the software.